80% of adults in Virginia are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 in Virginia. In fact, we have one of the highest vaccination rates in the country. So what can we expect as we head into the holiday season? Our Jake Burns spoke to Virginia's vaccine coordinator to get some answers. Jake?
Yeah, Bill, we learned that context is key. More on that in just 1 second. You've probably seen some headlines out there that COVID cases are spiking in other parts of the country. Not the case right now in Virginia, but experts do tell us a rise in infection is likely coming. Again, context. The colors of the changing seasons in Carytown comes along with the colder weather.
Yeah, it's going to be 71 degrees today.
Right.
I'm like, babe, bring your hoodie.
Joseph Courtney has a health condition, so he's paying close attention to the COVID numbers here.
The more people that we have gathering together, then the more susceptible you are to obtaining COVID.
Right.
That's just it's almost logic.
Unlike states in the Northeast and Upper Midwest where cases are rising, Virginia's cases have been mostly dropping lately.
I think it's pretty clear that as we head towards our winter here in Virginia, we're going to see an upturn of disease here as well. We're already seeing the decreasing trends starting to flatten out.
Well, Dr. Danny Avula says we will see more cases soon. Don't have a panicked flashback to last winter with packed hospitals and many deaths. Dr. Avula says the context is much different now.
Very different scenario now. Not only do we have extremely high vaccination rates, top 10 in the country, but we also have we're on the kind of backside of the Delta surge where a lot of people got infected and have some degree of protection through natural immunity.
As antibody and antiviral treatments for COVID-positive patients become more available in combination with booster shots, Avula says vigilance remains key. So if you feel symptoms, get a test and isolate from others.
The combination of vaccination, better testing, and better access to treatment are going to mean this winter is not going to look anything like last winter did. This is moving from the pandemic phase to the endemic phase. And what that means is that this is a virus that is going to be a part of the mix for us moving forward, right? It's not going to disappear or go away overnight. And we've got to learn how to adapt our life.
Important to remain vigilant. Remember that booster shots are going to be pretty important here especially this winter. Although there are some eligibility requirements, Avula says more than 3 million Virginians already qualify, and he encourages anyone who can to get a booster shot.